Hello students! Today, we're going to understand the basic structure of C++ programming very easily and quickly. Let's get started. Parts of a C++ program. Every C++ program has three basic parts. First part, the preprocessor directive and namespace. Second part, the main function header. Last part, the body of the program. These two lines tell the computer program which libraries it needs to use. # include iostream. This library helps the program handle input, like when you type something, and output, like when the program shows text on the screen. Using namespace std. This statement or line lets us easily use common commands like cout, which is used to display text, without having to write std::: before them every time. This program starts from the main function. The compiler executes this function first. Int means that this function will return an integer type number when the program finishes. This is the main part of the program where we write our instructions. Cout prints text on the output or runtime screen, and return 0 means the program finished successfully. This is a complete basic C++ program. We've looked at the first three parts, and now we'll see them all together. This program will print, "Hello World," on the runtime or output screen. For more detail, visit our YouTube channel, BrainTrain by Sir Attar.